Are you looking for the best Delta 3D printer? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best Delta 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Monoprice Mini Delta V2. The Monoprice Mini Delta V2 3D printer is a compact, fully assembled 3D printer with a build volume of 110 by 120 featuring a heated build plate and support for PLA and ABS filaments. Designed for both beginners and hobbyists, it offers touchscreen control with an updated firmware and user interface, larger icons, and clear instructions for ease of use. The printer connects via Wi-Fi using the PoloPrint Pro app for iOS and Android, and is open source friendly, compatible with Cura and other slicing software. Its quiet driver motors operate at just 30 dBA, making it significantly quieter than previous models. Additional features include advanced G-code auto leveling and auto resume functionality, ensuring smoother prints. While its small build volume and limited part cooling fan may restrict larger or more complex prints, the Mini Delta V2 is ideal for compact, everyday 3D printing projects, offering convenience, portability, and flexibility for users who enjoy tinkering or experimenting with open-source firmware. Number 2, FLSUN S1 3D printer. The FLSUN S1 3D printer is a high-speed, large-format FDM printer featuring a stable, all-metal delta structure and a maximum print speed of 1200 mm with acceleration up to 40,000 mm, ensuring both fast and precise printing. It comes equipped with a dual-gear direct drive extruder capable of temperatures up to 350 degc, allowing a wide range of filaments including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, ASA, PA, and PC. The printer includes advanced cooling with a CPAP turbofan to rapidly solidify prints and prevent warping, as well as fully automatic one-button leveling for easy setup. Out of the box, it is ready to print within minutes and features intelligent monitoring via an AI camera and radar-based control system for real-time error detection, monitoring, and time-lapse recording. With a large build volume of 13x13x, it can handle multiple or large prints efficiently, while Wi-Fi connectivity and a visual interface allow for remote operation and precise control. While the S1 offers impressive speed and versatility, its large size, weight, and noise from the turbofan, as well as the need for occasional tuning to maximize print quality, make it better suited for serious hobbyists or professionals seeking high-performance multi-material printing. Number 3, Creality Ender 3 3D printer. The Creality Ender 3 3D printer is an affordable open-source FDM printer designed for beginners and hobbyists who want hands-on experience with 3D printing. It offers a build volume of approximately 8.6 cx, 8.6 is 9.84 inches, 220/20 is 250 million, and features a resume printing function, allowing prints to continue after power outages. The printer includes an upgraded extruder with V-shaped palm wheels for smoother, quieter, and more reliable movement, reducing the risk of clogs and extrusion issues. While partially assembled out of the box, it requires about 2 hours to complete setup, making it an educational experience for users learning assembly and calibration. The Ender 3 uses a safety-protected power supply with a heated bed that reaches 100 degrees in roughly 5 minutes and prints via SD card or computer connection. Its open-source firmware and strong community support make it highly customizable, although some tuning and adjustments are typically needed to optimize print quality. Overall, the Ender 3 is a solid starter printer for those seeking an affordable, mod-friendly, and reliable 3D printing solution. Number 4, Creality K2 Pro. The Creality K2 Pro Combo 3D printer is a high-performance professional-grade FDM printer designed for large-scale and multicolor printing. It offers a spacious build volume of 300 mm and ultra-fast print speeds of up to 600 mm with 20,000 mm/2 acceleration, while an actively heated chamber up to 60 degrees ensures stable printing with challenging materials such as ASA, PPACF, and carbon fiber composites. The printer features a high-performance direct drive extruder with hardened steel gears for fast, clog-free printing, an auto-leveling system for precise first-layer adhesion, and dual AI cameras cameras for real-time monitoring, print failure detection, and flow rate optimization. Its CFS smart filament system allows seamless multicolor and multi-material printing with up to 16 colors, while Wi-Fi/LAN connectivity, Creality OS compatibility, and support for Creality Print and Cura provide remote control and easy management. Although it is a large, heavy machine and multicolor printing requires careful purge management, the K2 Pro combo delivers versatility, speed, and reliable performance for creative, educational, and professional applications. Number 5. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro 3D printer is a user-friendly and reliable FDM printer with a build volume of 225 watts, 225 and 280, then 8.8 watts, 8.85 watts, 11 inches. Ideal for daily printing projects. It features a dual-gear direct drive extruder made from durable stainless steel for consistent filament feeding and reduced clogs, supporting materials such as PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS. The printer includes 36-point automatic bed leveling, a PEI flexible build platform, a removable touchscreen, and a precision Z-axis with dual lead screws for stable, accurate prints. Silent stepper motors and an STM32 motherboard ensure smooth, quiet operation, while additional features like a filament runout sensor and power loss resume function provide reliability during long or complex prints. Mostly pre-assembled with a full toolkit, the Neptune 3 Pro allows users to start printing quickly and consistently, offering an excellent balance of performance, convenience, and value for hobbyists and beginners.